Hello, everyone. So we are going to talk today about how to actually score our ACT test. So we've probably gone through a practice test now, right? And we have a sense, okay, this is how I did, but I want to know which questions I got wrong, which questions I got right, and also what my scaled score is out of 36, right? These are all going to be questions we're going to be interested in. So we're going to look at this scoring page, and these are typically at the back of our ACT tests, and we can start using this to figure things out. So you can see first here, right? It's broken down into sections: English, math, reading, and science, just like how we took the test. And you can see that each of these columns are broken down into the question number and the correct answer, right? So you can just go through to begin and count up how many questions you got right? Go to question 1, see what the answer is, see if you got it right, and tally them all up. And we've also got this other little column here that tells us the question type. And for now, we don't need to worry too much about question type. We can just we'll talk about that in another video. We won't need it to give ourselves a total score or anything like that in particular. So let's just tally up all of our scores, see how we did, and from there, we'll move to our next section, which is creating a scaled score, right? So once we have how many total we got right, we can look and see what our scaled score is actually going to be over here. And we can do that, for instance, by saying, let's say we got 60 total questions right on English. Sure enough, that would, if we slide over here, it would correspond to getting a 26 on our English section. Or maybe on math, we got 49 total questions right. That would correspond to getting a 29 on our math section. Or maybe we got a total of 29 questions right on our reading. That would be like getting a 24 on our reading section. And lastly, let's say we just knocked the science section out of the park and we got all 40 questions right. Sure enough, you guessed it, we got a 36 on the science section. So if you go through there, you are going to be able to score any of your ACT sections on your own, making your life easy. And in our next video, we're going to talk a little more about what these scores mean and how the ACT actually gets these scaled scores in the first place. But I will see you all in that video. Bye.